I think stream has restarted. Sorry about that, guys. I forgot to completely connect my mic, but this is day 20 of trying to get a software engineering internship. I had to restart the stream because I forgot to completely connect my mic, so I disconnected it. Hopefully the audio is good right now. And yeah, we're gonna continue on with React. We did some Leet Code yesterday, day before yesterday. And we did Leet Code yesterday, and then day before yesterday's stream, we did React. We did fetching APIs, and that went pretty well for us. Let's just open up our code. That should be everything. And let's cd some app name or something like that. But sorry about that. I just had to restart stream because of my lack of awareness. npm run dev. So we're just gonna quickly get our local host. We have new lighting now as well, so this should all look a lot better. Hopefully, I'm hoping it does. Let me know if it does look better for you guys. And yeah, I think the music audio is good too now. So yeah, we did like some challenge. It was like generating an excuse or something. So this is how it worked out to be. So you press like party, and then yeah, like it generates a different excuse for a different situation. It's pretty simple stuff, nothing too complex. But yeah, now we're gonna do React router or something. Shenzug says, "Hey blood, what's up, blood?" Is that like a British thing, like a British thing? Like, is that how you guys in England move, or I think it's a British thing. But yeah, so this is what we did last React episode. Now we're gonna continue on, but with React routers. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or haven't subscribed already, we are on the road to 1,000, so we're so close to that goal. This stream, I want a minimum hit 750 subs. This stream, so if y'all could do that, that would be much appreciated. And yeah. But yeah, hey, what's up, man? Loving these streams. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. And if you're not already subscribed, bro, make sure to subscribe. How long have you been coding? I have been since I started my degree. So I wasn't really a coder until I started my degree, but I would say 2 years, 2 to 3. So not too long. Not too long. Let's just split screen everything. Sorry for the later streams, guys, by the way. I just had an assignment due today, so I got pretty busy with that. But we're back. We don't skip days, bro. This is our 5th day in a row. So, yeah. Might take tomorrow off, though, or Saturday, one of them. Not sure yet, though. But, yeah, let's see. Amani Bobo says, yo, what's up, man? Nice to have you on stream. Is this your first time? And if so, if you're not already subscribed, bro, make sure to subscribe, because we are on the road to 1,000. Hey, Bobo. Are y'all friends or something?
This have multiple.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly just make sure that you guys can't hear 2 audios, so I'm gonna mute my mic.
Pages, right? In a normal HTML website, you would just create multiple HTML like files and just link them inside of one of your related to React, like any course or something like that. I always like.
How many hours are you grinding on? How many hours are you grinding on this a week? I do, bro. Like, honestly, it's a full-time job, so it's like 40 hours of just grinding CS stuff, really. That's just how it's been so far.
Like to explain React Router DOM. because I am 100% sure that if you started watching this course and you've been working on your own as well, you probably thought to yourself, how can I make this have multiple pages, right? In a normal HTML website, you would just create multiple HTML files and just link them inside of one of your main HTML file. But in React, you can't do that because, like I mentioned in the beginning of the course, there's only one HTML file called index.html, and all the app is inside of here. And if we had to create multiple HTML files for every single time we went on another page, it would go against what React really does. Because one of the issues with having multiple HTML pages and navigating an app like that is that every time you move a page into a different page in your website, you have to download the HTML file for that specific page. With React, it downloads all the JavaScript inside.
45_Ratnish Katiar says, which country are you in? I'm in Canada currently. So guys, if you're new, bro, smash the subscribe button so we can get to that 1,000 subscribers. If you're liking the content though, of course. If you don't like the content, then you probably shouldn't subscribe. But yeah,
out of one HTML file, and that's basically that's the whole point, right? It will literally make it more efficient and faster for you to navigate. So with React, what we would have to do is actually install an external library called React Router DOM. So this is the main routing library for React, and this is where every app will include this, because this is how you do routes in React. So in order to install this, you have to open up a new terminal, differently from the one that is currently running your application. And over here, you'll just run npm install, and you just put React Router DOM, just like this. Then you press enter. It should install the library really quickly. It shouldn't take time at all. And now that the library is installed, we want to be inside of our app.
okay, let's just quickly install this. Npm install React Router React. I don't think you guys can see my terminal, so React Router DOM. Is that what he did? Yeah, okay. Oh, I wrote npn, bruh. My spelling is cheeks. npm. Okay, all that's installing. I don't think you guys can see it though. Okay, let's see what it does for him. We got a couple new guys today, so that's really sick to see.
Then you press enter. It should install the library really quickly. It shouldn't take time at all. And now that the library is installed, we want to be inside of our app component, the one we are right now. This is the outermost layer of our app, because how we want to structure a project with React Router DOM is very different from what we've seen so far. So in order to get this started,
Hey, today I caught you on live. Yes, sir, bro. First time. Is this your first time seeing the videos, or just first time seeing me live?
I need to import some stuff from the React Router DOM library. So I'm going to say import from React Router DOM. Just
before I even continue watching, let me just get rid of half the stuff, because I don't need all this. Actually, I should probably save this. Or do I? Is that even a cool project, the one I made? I don't think it's that serious. I could probably just get rid of this. Let's just get rid of it. And let's get rid of this interview. Did you start applying to internships? Yes, I did. I actually have had an interview yesterday for one of them. It starts in September, the internship, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I am applying currently. This is the best time to apply, if anything, because right now the market is really market's really slow. It's obviously competitive, but a lot less people apply for fall internships than they do to summer internships. Everyone wants a summer internship, right? So yeah, I'd say fall internships are pretty easy to get comparatively to summer internships, because summer internships, they just depends on how many people want the internships, and a lot of people want to do internships in the summer. So yeah, I'd say it's dependent on that. So for fall internships, you mean? Yeah, I'm applying to fall ones right now. There's not many summer openings in my area. So yeah, did you graduate or what? No, I'm going into my third year, so I just finished my second year.
like this. And basically, what we want to
import from React router DOM. Why is this getting an error? Okay, I guess I just didn't download it properly then. Ah, I see. Yeah, I didn't download it properly at all. Here we go. Should be fine. I see. When do you start applying to summer internships? I will start applying starting September or August. I guess you can start applying from August. I'm gonna see when my university job board opens, and then I'm gonna go from there. What's going on, bro? Why is this? I mean, I didn't install it properly, but I fixed it. React router. Now it should be fine. Damn, bruh. Quick fix. Nope, no quick fixes. Are all of you also applying to internships right now, or what's up with you guys? I'm getting an error when I import React router DOM. Do you guys like the new lighting? I got a ring light, so it should look a lot better. The camera quality, at least. Oliver, yo, what's good, bro? This is what I lose count of how many times you've tuned in now, but I'm chilling, bro. Just working on some React at the moment. Yeah, I guess I'd have to do. Maybe I can try with Yarn. Yeah, we'll try with Yarn. Well, hopefully it's gone now. I installed it with Yarn, so next update your app.js file thing. Maybe it's just a semicolon. I don't even know. Did you start late or just me? Yeah, I started a lot later today. Yeah, trying to start Leet Code now. I was doing Leet Code yesterday. Not sure if 50 days is enough to do like 300 problems. If that's your main, if you like actually grind on it, yeah, it's fine. You should be good. Oh, you're doing a full-time job at the moment? Lighting is looking good. Appreciate that. 1K sub soon, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. We need all the new guys to subscribe so we can hit that subscriber goal, bro. We are so close, bro. 250 subscribers left, and we're gonna be there. I just don't know why I'm getting this error. Maybe if I just put this line the way he did, the way GPT did. I want to make my... It still says that. Bro, wait, I'll just close the editor and then open it again. It should be there though, because I installed it. But yeah, 1K subs soon, guys. It would be really helpful if you guys smash the subscribe button so we can reach that 1K. Yeah, that got rid of the error. Just closing the editor. Lol, I meant full-time Leet Code, but this draining as fuck. Sorry, as F. I cannot swear, bro. That's bad. Yeah, it is, bro. I was doing it yesterday. You should have seen me. I literally died. It was terrible. But you gotta grind, bro. That's the whole point. You grind now and it'll pay off later, right? You're in the worst job market of all time. Or since 2008, or maybe the Great Depression. So... you have to put in the effort. You have to be different, and if you're not, then that sucks. No one's waiting for you. No, time's gonna keep moving. So yeah. So yeah, we installed it. So now let's see.
Another called route, just like this. And for now, this is good. So what does this mean? Well, we have three components. This one is a component we use to define exactly.
Okay, let's put that in. Browser, router, as router. Some long name, bro. As router. Is it router or router? Roots. Route. It's a lot of writing.
Exactly where in our app we want to have different routes. So this might be a foreign concept for those who've never used React before, but you can use routes as a way to only change a specific portion of your website, and you'll see exactly what I mean by that. But for now, just know that you need to specify where in your app you want to have all your routes. We're gonna put it actually inside of the app div. We're gonna put it right over here and just put a router just like this, right? It's just a component, we're just calling it. Then we also need the routes component. And this is another one that for now, you just put it in just like this. And I'll explain it. If you want to have all your routes, we're gonna put it actually inside of the app div. We're gonna put it right over here. We all this, and I'll explain it later on in the video.
Alright, let's do that then. Let's make our div. I'm gonna adjust my mic. I'm gonna put it in a better place. It's kind of tight here. There we go. That should be better. Can you guys still hear me well? Okay, let's do div. Div class name equals app, and then close that thing. Nice. Then let's do oh, damn, I just smashed my mic. Oh, this was supposed to be in the return little brackets. Let's do that. Error should be gone. Tab. I want my prettier extension to work better. It's kind of trash right now. Let's do again router. Routes. And then let's see. Routes, router, routes. Yeah. Routes, and then there we go. There are those errors gone. This prettier thing does not work at all. Maybe I go here and then put prettier. Like when I go on my GitHub, works fine. Or I can actually see like how to use or how to disable like completions and all that. Like the settings actually work. But with prettier, it's just like nothing. But yeah, let's see what we can do now.
Why we need it. And finally, we have this route component, which is a component we're going to use. It is self-closing, and we're going to use it to define every route we want to have in our website. Let's do a pizza website, like you can order pizza, right? Just as an example. So for that kind of website, we need to have a homepage. And the path to the homepage would be just the normal URL, right? So the URL of the website, in our case, is just localhost 3000. We don't want to add any routes at the end, right? So to define how our homepage would look like, we put the path of what this route will be, right? And the path for the homepage in a website is just an empty slash like this. You may be familiar with this because of how it is in HTML as well. This is just an empty, like the main page of your website. And then with React DOM, for each route, we also need to specify an element. And an element is just a component that will be rendered when you go to this route. So let's create over here a folder in our project called pages. And this is where all the different pages of our website will exist. So for now, we're just going to create the home page just like this, home.js. And this will be used for displaying the information in the homepage. So we're just gonna create a component like this, like we've been doing so far. And for
All right, let's create this folder. Pages. And since we're working on TypeScript, yeah. Thopu, hey Talha, what's the black thing behind you? Is that your pet? Bro, scaring me, bro. What's this black thing behind me? Oh. There's nothing. I get. What do you mean? Which thing? When does school start? I don't know. Beginning of September for me. Yeah, beginning of September it starts. Home.tsx. Let's see, and then we'll just write export const home equals brackets, and then Thopu, you just scared me with this like black thing. What is behind me? Is there something coming to kill me? Bruh, this guy is not serious. You did not just say that. This guy is absolutely not serious. What do you think of the lighting, Thopu? Is it better?
for now, the homepage will just say, will just be an h1 tag saying this is the homepage, right? This is the homepage. Now, over here, we need to import the home component.
Easy, brother. Just messing with you. No, I'm all for jokes. I'm all for jokes. Lighting is better, W. Is this camera better than the old one now, especially with the lighting? Or was the old one better? We were making an H1 tag. I forgot completely that we were making an H1 tag. This is the home page. Bro, what's your learning approach? Finish this playlist and do a project by yourself. Actually, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys, but I applied to this thing called Head Starter with my friends. It's all over America. I think anyone in the world can join, actually. But it's called Head Starter. And basically, if you can apply now if you guys want, but I think you need a referral, so it's a little late. The whole concept is you make like 5 AI projects, something like that. Like it's all these famous, like I don't know about these guys, but there's like a lot of famous TikTokers or something. Yeah, Baxay Carter, he's a software engineering TikToker. I don't know who he is, but someone. I don't know who he. Actually, no, I have seen this guy on TikTok before. He's the guy who got the DoorDash interview, and then Sajad. He's also on TikTok, so all these guys are like speaking at their events and stuff. But what it is it's like 5 AI ML projects, something like that, and then you just keep going. You just do it with your friends, like 4 of your friends, and then you go forward. Jobless student says, "What's up? What's up, man? Nice to meet you. Your username is all of us right now, so yeah." You haven't heard back from them? When did you apply? I applied like yesterday, but I applied with a referral of my friend. So hopefully I get in, but I don't know yet. But my plan is to use my React skills to go into this. But when did you apply? Yeah, same. But you have to apply with a referral, and then someone who you're gonna work with a referral from a friend who suggested my name to a team leader. Yeah, like I think they'll do their next batch and then they'll accept everyone. So I wouldn't stress too much. At least not yet. We were doing path and then equals slash. Bro, I hate caps lock, man. Ruins everything. Also, if you guys are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so we're very close. If you guys could help, it would be sick. Oh wait, I'm not even supposed to put it in this one. Route. And then we were doing element. Kevin Dalapaz. Sorry if I butchered the name. Hey man, I'm based in IL, I think. Is that Illinois? I'm in the program where you get in if you would like to form a team of 4, 2 front end and 2 back end. So you're already in the program. I would like to form a team of 4, 2 front end, 2 back end. Well, I'll be honest with you. I already have a group. But if I think we may need one guy, I'll check. And then one of you we can work with or something. But yeah, I'm already in a group. And then we're going to go from there. But that's sick. Did you? How long did it take for you to get accepted to it? And are they still taking applicants? And yeah, the one who gave me a referral is from the UK. Damn. Yeah, I think it's all over the world. It's like everyone from everywhere can apply to it. It's a pretty good opportunity as well, especially if you're already building projects. Like I think it's 20 hours of your week. But yeah, you just go from there. It's a pretty good opportunity. Yeah. Kevin, do you already have a team or what's going on with that? I saw on Discord they released a batch of responses yesterday evening. That's probably for people who applied a little earlier than us, though. Because I saw it too on their YT channel. Yeah. I think they accepted people who applied the day before yesterday or maybe like something like that. I don't recall. I don't know for sure what happened, but you definitely, I think they'll take you in most likely, especially if you have a team. They'll probably take you in. If you guys are new, bro, we're so close. I want to hit 750 subs on stream today so we can celebrate. So if you're new, please subscribe, boys. And yeah, let's continue with what's going on here. And if you guys have other things, bring it up in chat, man. I love starting different conversations and hearing different conversations. So yeah. I'm one very early ones to apply, and I've been in their connection for a minute, so I applied early and got in 3 days later. Well, I am still looking. Right. So you're still trying to find a team. I'll let you know if anyone here is interested. Like, also, if you want to work with each other, you guys can say in chat, like, we need group members, and then you guys can talk to each other. But I'll let you know, Kevin, if we still have an opening or if anyone else wants to join, let me know. And then I'll let you guys know if my team still has an opening. But yeah, like, for the next couple streams, once I get in and that starts, I'm gonna work on my React skills on the projects that I do for that. New conversation topic: why is your TV on? Bro, you trolling too much. I'm not looking back. I know it's not on. I know my TV is not on right now. TV is definitely not on. Bro is trying to finesse me. Alright, let's see what's going on.
So I'm just going to say home, just like this. It will automatically import, as you can see. And we'll just render it inside of the element. Now, what you'll see is that immediately when I go over here, it will already say this is the homepage because we are actually in the homepage, right? We set this to be the empty.
Rose said, damn it, so close. You were close, but you were also far. I don't fall for tricks no more, bro. I don't once fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. And I'm not gonna put no shame on me. So, how many videos left in this playlist? I think we're over halfway through. 1, 2, 3. No, sorry, never mind. That's the. We're on number 8. No, we're not. We're on number 8. Yeah. And it goes till 18. This is like some 8-hour thing. We're not doing that. But this is like a project in itself, social media Firebase project. So I don't know if we're gonna do this, but if we're just looking at basic React stuff, it's till video 14, so we're almost done. We might look into it though. We could, but we'll just see if it makes sense to do the Firebase React app. Social media app. Let's import home. Sorry, I meant import home like this, and then from /pages/home. There we go. And now we have our home. Wait, why is this? Home cannot be used as a JSX command if type is not a valid JSX element type. Type void is not assignable to type. Bro, holy bro, they got so many different problems, bro. I guess I could maybe it's just this part, because he does it slightly differently. He does this. I don't even know what's going on. Let's put this in GPT, our savior. Why is this getting an error? The code is in TypeScript. When working with TypeScript, you need to ensure the types are correct. Oh, I guess I have to do the interface, I think. Can someone let me know if I have to do the interface? Export default home. I think we're good though. I don't think we need to do that. Maybe I'll just copy it like this. Maybe just it'll fix it. Maybe the import statement. Could just be the import statement. Oh, never mind. I guess it was, but I guess, yeah. No, it didn't fix it. This is TypeScript, JavaScript errors, I guess. Space out. Yo, where's chat? Where is chat? Home. I guess I have to make like an interface. I don't even know why. Interface home. Does anyone know why this is happening? Chat's behind you? What do you mean? Oh, like the chat's behind me? Like you want me to look back again? I'll let you know that I don't fall for tricks, bro. Was it because I just didn't write return properly? How did he do it? Maybe it's the way he wrote it.
Just be an H1.
Bro, you know it's bad when you fail in tutorials, bro. Let's change our directory. Yeah, check out Scrimbus for React courses. I would, bro, but I'm already basically done with this one. So it's like, I don't know if it's worth changing. CD sum. I might lower the lighting, bro. It's kind of getting in my eyes. I think the lighting should still be good, but it was a little too bright. Like, it just made me tired. I don't know, when you get too much light in your eyes, that just made me tired. Or maybe I'm just tired myself, blaming it on light. KFC says, hey bro, yo, what's good, bro? What is up? This is the home page. I don't know, maybe he's missing something as well. We'll just keep watching and see what's happening.
In the home page, right? We set this to be the empty slash path, which means that it's showing right now. But just so you see exactly how React Rotterdam works, if we went to another route, such as the profile page, it disappears because now we're not in the home route anymore. So it's not showing the home component. So you can see how cool this is, right? We can actually display different components or different UI depending on which route we are currently in, which is amazing. So now that we have our first one, we can actually start creating some more, just as an example. So I'm going to create 2 more, so you guys can see exactly how this works. So one will be, like, I don't know, the menu, because like pizza places have menus, right? So it's just a page of the website where you can see the menu. And I would say like a contact page would be good as well. I don't know, many pizza places websites have contact pages. So we're gonna have 3 different routes in our app. Now to go to the menu, we would probably want to call the menu route, right? Call the route menu. And for contact, we'll put contact as well. And like I said, this path, it just means that if I want to go to the menu, I'll just put /menu in my route and it will go to there. So we obviously don't have a menu and a contact component, but I'll just copy and paste the home component twice and change the name. I'll make this into menu. One will be, like, I don't know, the menu, because like pizza places have menus, right? So it's just a page of the website where you can see the menu. And I would say like a contact page would be good as well. I don't know, many pizza places websites have contact pages. So we're gonna have 3 different routes in our app. Now to go to the menu, we would probably want to call the menu route, right? Call the route menu. And for contact, we'll put contact as well. And like I said,
alright, okay, he did not even address the error. Make a simple CSS for this code. Just gonna change the CSS a little. But yeah, I actually see no difference in the lighting, man. Adjust it to your comfort level. Really? I felt like the lighting got a lot better. Maybe let me check my stream on a different tab. No, lighting is definitely different. At least from the last couple streams, it's definitely different. I don't know though, I'll check yesterday's stream. Yeah, it's definitely different. Hello bro, I'm an absolute beginner at coding. I'm 17 years old and I'm currently learning C++. I've been wanting to learn data structures and algorithms. Could you suggest a channel to learn from? Leet Code. Leet Code. Just search up a playlist for every single data structure or algorithm you want to learn, and Leet Code probably has it. And yeah, that's what I would do. Oh yeah, better than previous stream. Yes, sir. Hi, bro. Can you share how you look for internship opportunities? Which job listing platform you follow, or which group you are joined in to get these updates? I just go on LinkedIn. If you go to university, just look at your guys' job board at university, and yeah, go from there. That's what I recommend. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe. That's also what I recommend. But that's how I look at I find my opportunities. I look at different job boards, and then yeah, I go from there. A lot of the times you get an edge when you see the different job boards, and like other than LinkedIn, like if it's from your school, you have a higher chance of getting an interview. And then yeah, if it's like some random program, like Canada has a Venture for Canada program, so if you're in Canada, you can get access to private job boards that no one else has access to. It won't be big companies. All big companies will have it on LinkedIn, but if you want like different job boards, you can do that. And if you're new, all of you, make sure to please subscribe. I want to hit 750 subs on stream today. So yeah, thanks, brother. No problem. Hi, Thopu. That's for Thopu. Hello, KFC. That's also for KFC. How's it? Yo, Sean D says, yo, what's up, man? Nice to have you back on stream. Captain says, hi. Hello. I think this is your first time on stream. Nice to meet you, Captain. Udav Sharma says, hi, bro. I'm new here. Is that a Ronaldo profile picture? Is that Cristiano Ronaldo? If it is, then you stay here as long as you want, man. We love Ronaldo. But yeah, nice to meet you, man. What's your background? I'm about to start coding. From where to start? First language I would learn is Python. Harvard CS50 is what I'd suggest. And if you guys are new, again, subscribe, bro. Smash the subscribe button, bro. We gotta hit that 1K subscribers, bro. So yeah, guys, make sure to smash it. And yeah, let's see. This is our new CSS. We gotta figure out this error. Should we just switch to JavaScript? Okay, yeah. Fixed it, but now we have this error that we can't figure out for some reason. GPT gives me the weirdest solution to it as well. Home.tsx. So I was doing some React stuff today. I like it. Yeah, React's really good. Udav says I'm from India, bro. Nice to meet you. I'm from Pakistan, so that's pretty sick to see. I live in Canada though, but that's awesome, and we have a lot of Indians in the community for my channel. So you'll meet a bunch of different people from different parts of India. So that's awesome to see. Udav Sharma, me too. Deep Singh's also from India. Look, India gang, smash that subscribe button. Yes sir, yes sir. Sue, I like that. I like the Sue. Suey. Pakistan gang, smash that subscribe button. I don't think I have much of a Pakistan community, man, sadly. But every gang, smash that subscribe button. Canada gang, yes sir. Everyone's saying they're from India, bro. I feel lonely, man. Y'all got me feeling lonely right now. USA, smash that subscribe button. Yes sir. USA, the United States of America. Jobless student, I am Nepali. That's our first unique one. Everyone is either from India or Pakistan or actually no, we do get different countries. Guys, you can chat in Hindi too. Tal is a Hindi master. Only for the ladies, bro. Only for the ladies. I'm a Hindi master. You need to export home component. I did export the home component. Oh, this? Yeah, I guess this is the issue. You're right. Yeah. Thank you for that, Captain. Super Shy is from Singapore. Awesome. Awesome to hear. Well, we did that, but apparently we still don't get any. Oh, we still have an error. I guess we meant import home from. This is what we allegedly meant. It doesn't work though. Oh, nice, now it worked. We'd probably want to center the text, but we can only do that in the CSS. No, it's fine. We'll just keep it here. It's not that deep. But yeah, thank you for that, Captain. We're just stuck on that for a while, which kind of sucked. But yeah, let's continue.
And paste the home component twice and change the name. I'll make this into menu. And since I changed this, I also need to change the component name to menu. And I'll also change this one to contact. And do the same thing to the actual component, right? Now we have both the menu and the contact component, so we can just import both of them, just like this. We'll change this to menu, and we'll also change this to contact. And over here, the home component twice and change the name. I'll make this into menu. And since I changed this, I also need to change the component name to menu. And I'll also change this one to contact. And do the same thing to the actual component, right? Now we have both the menu and the contact components, so we can just import both of them, just like this. We'll change this to
as I'm doing that, update imports for TSX. What does it mean? Why is this a thing? Where did this TSX file come from, bro? Get rid of this random file. Delete. And then we'll rename this. What were we renaming it to? Menu? Yeah, one's menu. And then we want to rename the other one to. We'll make a new file. Sorry, no, we can just copy actually. We'll just copy. Copy home. Paste. We'll rename. And then I think we had contact as one of them. Yeah. And then we'll do why is it like this? React FC. Is it supposed to be like that? I don't know if it's supposed to be like React FC. I think that's what GPT gave me and that's why I changed it. But whatever, we'll just keep it. It doesn't make a difference. In React, always use export default component name. Oh, so down here? Okay. What did we have this as before? No, wait, sorry. Wait, we'll go. What did we have this as before? We had it as this. So you're saying like, as long as I just do this, export default home, it fixes my error here. It doesn't though, that's the thing. It doesn't fix it. I think it has something to do with this being TypeScript though. Yeah, it has something to do with it being TypeScript. It's just different. It is TypeScript, bro. Yeah, no, I know. It's just the code this guy's giving is in is JavaScript. Also, guys, come on. If you're new, smash the subscribe button. We're 4 subscribers away from 750, so if it would be much appreciated if you guys could. React time, baby. What's up, Lucas? Nice to have you, bro. Nice to have you back. Lucas, do you know why I have to do it like this when I'm making a TypeScript component or page, like the home page? Why do I have to write react.fc? Like, do I just have to give it a type? Is that why I have to do it like that? But I usually type rface on a blank file to auto create the template. I will do that next time. Why are you saying TypeScript instead of JavaScript for practice? Why am I using TypeScript instead of JavaScript? I don't know. It just ended up being how I started things. It doesn't allow you to not? Yeah, like if I do this, I'll get an error. Like if I do this, then I get an error here. Sorry, I mean I could export it. Just export this. Never mind, wait, what did I? It's the wrong one. I have to change this to contact. Contact. And I have to change this to menu. Menu. Contact, home, contact. There we go. That fixes stuff. TSX makes you be very specific, so you have to specify types for basically everything. I'm noticing that now. You might have some sort of strict type checker in JSON. Maybe that's the issue. It's annoying but good practice because it makes debugging easy in the long run. Maybe it's worth it then. Yeah, it's probably worth it in the long run. Captain said go to home component and remove export and use export default home. Okay, we'll do that. We'll get rid of this. Okay. And then what do I do here? Why is this getting an error now? Just like that. Okay. I guess we can do that for everything then. Thank you for that, Captain. Contact. Okay. Apparently all of these are unused though. I can get rid of this. And then I'll get rid of this. And here as well. There we go. Everything looking clean now. Paste your tsconfig.json in chat GPT and ask why take away brackets. Yeah. Yep, that's JavaScript anytime, bro. I appreciate that, man. If you export it not as default, I have to import with brackets. Got it. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Sorry, curly braces. Got you. Guys, 4 subscribers away from the 750, bro. 75% of our goal will be completed. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's keep going. Or no, we still have to do all this for each specific page. So he did a menu, then contact. Menu, and then contact. Contact, and then we'll just import everything as well. So then, yeah, we had menu. Menu, and then contact, and contact again. Now we're all good. We're all Gucci. Lauren Clemens says, hello, how are you? I'm good. How are you, Lauren? I like exporting components as default because you generally only have one component per file. Right. Only 3 subscribers away, guys. We're so close to the 750. Okay, let's continue with the video.
Menu, and we'll also change this to contact. And over here, we'll just import menu and import contact, just like this. Now, I want to differentiate the components, right? Just so we know if it's actually working. So the home component says this is the home page. So the menu component should say this is the menu page. The same thing goes with the contact one. It should say this is the contact page, just like this. Now, let's check to see if this whole logic is working. If we are in our app, we're in the home page, it's fine. But if I want to go to the menu page,
Satya says, not sure if you already have the React VS Code extension, but there's some nice template shortcuts like RFC, RAFC, which save time. No, I don't have it actually. Let's download it. React. Search it up. Which one is it? This one, the first one? It can be good to group components in folders, and you export all of them from an index from an index.ts file. I can show you some folder management stuff another time. Got you. You think the first 2? We'll install both of them. And they're installed. Let's see if they work. I think I have to close the editor and then open it again. And now it should work. Is my laptop bugging? What is this? Leet Code API usage connection to server got closed. Client API. What is it? Wait, no, just ES7, the second one, I think. Not sure. How will you celebrate 750 subs? I won't, bro, because we have to hit the 1K. Just the RFC in a new file type. Dude, I have no idea what RFC even is, to be honest with you. I have no idea, what that is at the moment. I would love to celebrate 750 subs, but that is not the end goal. That is only 75% of our goal.
I can just say /menu and just say this is the menu page. Same thing goes to the contact one. You'll see that we're now in the contact page. Now, what if we do something like this where we're not in any of them?
You're saying type RFC in a new file and you'll see? Oh, okay, wait, let's try this. New file. Do I call the file something or? Or do I just go RFC like this? Okay, well, definitely not. We'll just call it test.tsx. And then you're saying if I just do RFC. Ah, nice, sick. Okay, that's cool. Right. I'm gonna hop off, brother. Keep up the grind. Ciao. Nice to have you, Thopu, bro. I think it's nighttime for you, so good night, bro. Have a great day. RFC, so generate token. Got you guys. Got you guys. All right. That's sick. That's sick. Yo, we're just 2 subscribers away now from that 750, bro. We hit milestones. Oh wait, what? I wanted to check. Yeah, let's go here. I think this local host is disconnected right now, so let me just go some app name. What's this? Yo, what is this? Oh, it's because of the semicolon. You know, the computer is always right. It's just you who's wrong. That's all I've learned in life. The computer is always right, you're wrong. npm run dev. Alright. And then we're gonna put, I mean, we're already on the home page. Let's go on the menu page. What? Oh yeah, we don't have anything. Oh, we do. This is the menu. Wait, how did he put it? Why am I not even getting the...
A slash main?
Oh, I'm supposed to put it as lowercase? Menu. Damn, bro, what the heck? Why is it not working? Menu is not even working properly. This is the menu page. Does anyone have any idea why it's not working? This is the contact. Hit save. Save, although I believe I have autosave on, but yeah, why is this not working? Are you using some sort of route? I didn't see. Yes, I am. Right here. All of this is the routes. Yeah, I am using routes in app.tsx. These are fix my path. Oh, the paths are incorrect. I was just using the path he had. Yeah. I think the paths are correct. No? Or shouldn't they be? What's wrong with the path? All the routes have the same path. Look at his. Yeah, what's the... Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I'm just a moron, bro. That's on me. What kind of goofy behavior is this on my end? Contact. Yeah, there we go. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for that. I don't even know how I didn't notice that. Sick. Okay, we got it. Now we got it. Alright, let's keep going.
The components, right? Just so we wanted to. The way you do it is you just, as a last route, you can just add a new route, and the path is just an asterisk. You just give it basically an asterisk, and the element you pass, whatever you pass over here, will be shown whenever you try to go to a route that is not any of this routes over here. And I don't want to create a separate component for it. You can do it on your own. I definitely do it for every website because it's good user experience. But we can also just, I don't know, pass the UI directly here. So I'll just put like a h1 tag that literally just says, you are not in a page. I don't know, for like 404 error, like page not found. I'll just say page not found. It's better. Page not found. And you'll see that now, if we're not in a page, it will say page not found. It doesn't matter which one we are, as long as it's found. And you'll see that.
Alright, let's implement this. I'm just waiting for the exercise for this. We're almost at the exercise he's gonna give. Oh no, I don't think he does one for this one. But I enjoy the exercises for this React stuff. It's really fun. route. Okay, let's not look at what he did. We did this. Oh my god, what the heck? There we go. Then our element, we just want to make an h1 tag. So h1 page. These typos are gonna kill me, man. Page. Yeah, the caps lock, everything going wrong right now. Everything is going wrong. Page not found. There. Everything was just going wrong. And then here. There we go. Now it's good. So let's put something random here. Page not found. W's. Can I have some W's in chat for that? Can we get a quick W in chat? Asterisk, yeah, I got the asterisks. 2 subscribers away, guys. We're about to hit that 750. It's gonna go crazy.
Now, if we're not in a page, it will say page not found. It doesn't matter which one we are, as long as we're not in one of the original pages, such as this one, it will show something like this, page not found. Okay, this is all really cool, and this is basically it for React.DOM. I actually have a more in-depth tutorial on React.DOM. I have like so many of them. It's one of my favorite videos, like one of my most well-performed videos, so if you want to check it out, I go over way more than in this one. The last thing I still want to show in this one is just how to navigate throughout the routes without having to manually change this thing over here. But if you want to check out more about React.DOM, definitely check out my video on it because I go over everything. But like I said, I want to show you guys how to navigate between the routes without actually having to manually change the routes by clicking over here. So that would mean like having links and a navbar. So the reason why that's important is because it will explain to you guys really what is this router and route component. You guys might already understand what route is, like each of the route components basically just defines a new route. But why exactly do we have to have 2 different components over, like on top of them, right? So this will show you guys exactly what I mean. If I want to create what is known as a navbar, right? Navbar is just a little thing at the top of a website where you can click on links to navigate through the website. Well, to do that, I would have to be inside of the router, just like this, right over here. So I would have to be inside of this. I would create, for example, a div and put over here different links that I'll just write navbar for now. Different links that navigate throughout the website. And you see that the reason why I didn't put this inside of the routes over here is because this routes component just tells React.DOM that you're going to describe like individual routes inside of it, right? This router component is different. This router component, it is meant to tell React.DOM that whatever is inside of it can use the React.DOM functionalities. But that doesn't mean that they have to be an actual route. So routes is used to define all the routes. Router is used to define where in your app you want to have access to React.DOM stuff. Now, the reason why this distinction is important is because if you want to navigate throughout your website, you can use what is known as a link, which is a component that comes from React.DOM. And I'll show you guys exactly what this means.
Muhammad Essence says, bro, I want to do bachelor's in CS. Should I do it? I have interest in this field, but people are afraid of AI, and I've also listed that nowadays developers are having difficulties for their internship. Help me, is this still good to opt? Okay, that's a great question. It depends. If you are capable of being a doctor or a lawyer, which is the only jobs that are technically safe right now, then I would go with it. It depends also where you live. If you live in like North America, I would say you're open to a lot of different things. You don't need to go into tech. If you live in a third world country, I don't know where you live, but if you live in a third world country, I would say still do CS. The reason I say that is because you can do freelancing, you can do a lot of different things, and it can be taken as a business approach to things. There's still money in CS, it's just a lot more competitive, but everything is competitive right now. You can't even get a job at Starbucks or Tim Hortons right now. So yeah, it's not AI. Don't be worried about AI. AI is not the problem. AI is if anything, it's a tool to help you as a developer. I would be concerned about just the market in general. And if that recovers, hopefully it will, then CS is probably the best degree to go to. And if it doesn't recover, then yeah, just become a doctor or a lawyer because they never lose demand. But in some countries, it's just not worth it. In Canada, I know it's not worth it because it takes forever. But yeah, I would still go into CS if I would go into CS if that's your interest and you live in any other country outside North America and you're an average guy. I think CS is the way to go because you can get better at it and eventually you can use it for business. If you want to become a doctor, it takes like 10 years. If you want to become a lawyer, it takes 10 years. And there's also a lot of competition in those things. So yeah, I'd still say do CS. So main problem is competition. I don't even think that right now it's competition because of how bad the market is. But in general, no, it's not that bad. It's not really competition, and I wouldn't worry about AI right now, because if we're worrying about AI, we get into the topic of every job, not just computer science. So yeah. That's what I think.
This means if I put over here a link like this, it would be similar to like an A tag in HTML, but it's better for React or DOM because it's already built in and it has good compatibility with the library. So what we do is, for example, if I want to go to the home page, I'll just put home over here, and I'll just put what is known as a to property, and we'll just put the route where you want to navigate towards. If you click.
Also, guys, please make sure to subscribe. We're 2 subscribers away from that 750. Might just do a celebration, honestly, for the 750 on stream. But yeah, Mohammed, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It'll be the 749th, and then hopefully we get the 750th.
Click on this link. Since it's a homepage, we'll just put an empty route, and you'll see that this will now appear in our navbar. Now, I can do the same thing with all the other ones.
Okay, let's just quickly do this, what he just did. So we'll make a new div. Sorry, why did I do it all caps? What's up with me and the caps lock, bro? It's like we're enemies. The caps lock's just trying to be my enemy right now. Navbar. Tab. And then we did a link. 2 equals, I think this just goes straight to the home page. Yeah, this goes straight to the home page. Home is what we're calling it. There we go. Nope, I just got a bunch of errors. Cannot find name link. Oh well. Bruh. Is this a TypeScript error? Someone tell me this is a TypeScript error. I did not type this wrong. I 100% did not type this wrong. So someone tell me real quick, is this a TypeScript error? Is this a TypeScript error? Why is link getting errors? Let me just adjust my mic. Yo, I gotta import it? Bro, this guy doesn't even import anything, bro. I always gotta import stuff. I'm getting an error on link. Yeah, I'm getting an error on link. Dude, I gotta grab my phone real quick. I just left it on the charger. Gotta get back in my blankie. Oh my god. My mic just apparently... something went on my mic. Are you sure I have to import it? Can you send me the import then? Oh, I do have to import it. Link. Okay, that's on me. Do I have an error now? Why does it not say page not found? I just completely lost. Everything's not even working anymore. Sick. I don't even know what's going on. Just not working. Why is the page not even showing up anymore? What is going on, boys? Oh, okay, I figured it out. It's because of this. It should be here. There. Yeah, that's just me being stupid. Alright, let's get back to it, boys. So, this is useless, though. It doesn't do anything, but... I mean, we're already on home, to be fair. Maybe if we go, like, on a different one, like, menu, and then press it. Damn, okay. Yo, you gotta get format on save. It'll make you way faster. How do I do that? How do I get this format on save you were talking about? Cause I don't know why I don't have it. Like this prettier doesn't even work.
And one for contact. So menu, contact, just like this. And we'll have to change this to menu and this to contact, just like this. Now, there's a thing I want to mention to you guys. I'll also delete this navbar thing. You can see that we have now the routes over here, and I can actually click on them. Like if I'm on the homepage right now, if I click on menu, it'll go to the menu page. If I click on contact, it'll go to the contact one. So it's working, right? It's definitely working. But one thing you guys might have noticed is only this is changing. This is not changing, right? No matter what route we are in, it always has a navbar. And we didn't actually put a navbar in any of those components. Navbar just exists above this. Well, because how React.DOM works is we're basically telling React that this is part of a website, and this is what is going to change. So everything below the links, below the navbar, will change depending on which component we are in. But the route doesn't define if we show this because this is above the routes thing. So that's the distinction. And the reason why we need the router is because we can't access link as a component because link is part of React.DOM. And like I said, everything related to React.DOM.
Oh, I think I did it. Is it good now? Shift Command P. Wait, you said Shift Command. Wait, no, I'm back here. Shift Command P. Open user settings. I think I did it now. Format, save. Yeah, oh, I think I did it. Should work now. Almost done with this video as well. Learned a lot from this one actually. Look, we got our little like navbar thingy going on. Y'all might think this is trash, but it's not that bad. Command S to save. I have autosave on, but yeah, it's clean. It's clean. This is clean. Alright, let's keep watching.
DOM has to be inside of this component. So if we try to put this outside of router, React.DOM will basically tell us that like it doesn't work because you're not inside of a router. So we do have to put this inside. So this is kind of how you navigate through different pages. I usually like to create a different like component just for the navbar, and have my apps just like this. Just have like a navbar component. We'll say navbar over here, and just return that whole thing that we have over there. This thing over here, we just copy this and put it over here. And also, since we're using link, we need to import link over here at the top. So we'll say import from React Router DOM, and we'll import the link component just like this. And now it should be working if we just came over here and said navbar, right? So this is how.
Alright, let's just do that real quick. You said it should. Okay, wait. I'll just close it and open it. That's usually what happens. I'll just. Uju Engineer says, "Yo, what's up? What's good, bro? How are you, man? Glad to have you back." Yeah, I'll open it again. Command S. I don't know. Yeah, it's not doing it. Maybe my VS Code's just bugging, bro. Format on save. Yeah, formatted a file on save. A formatter must be available. It says a formatter must be available. Is there something I should change? I don't know. Let me know if there's something. Default formatter. Prettier? Some weird stuff going on right now. Check my save settings. Okay. Save. How do I check my save? Like, just type save. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know if you figure something out. For now, we'll just take this. We'll make a new file, navbar.tsx. We have to do const navbar equals and then return. Bruh. There we go. And I have to import links still, but export default. This is what Captain told me to do. Export default navbar. This will get rid of any errors, and then let's just import link from React Router DOM. Import link from React Router DOM. There we go. And that should fix everything. And then we go on our app TSX. We go here. And then I'm gonna just type navbar. Well, I obviously have to import navbar, to be fair. There we go. Yeah. Should save it and format it. Yeah, oh, yeah, it worked. I did command S, it worked. Sick, yo, WW. 2 more subscribers, guys, come on. We got this. Where are y'all at? Where are the subscribes at? Yeah, it worked. Thank you, Lucas, for that. I think it was just closing the editor and all that. Let's see if this navbar thing still works. Yep, it does. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, thanks for that, man. Alright, let's keep watching. We're basically done with the video now. We'll watch the next one.
It would work, and this is how I usually write my websites. So I usually have a navbar, and this is kind of a structure of how I would actually structure a website if I was using React and React Router DOM. So you can see, still works perfectly, and this is how you have routes in your website. This is basically it for this video. I want to give you guys an exercise, but it's kind of complicated to make exercises with React Router DOM. So what I would say is check out the React Router DOM official documentation, or my full-on video on React Router DOM, because I do go way more in depth than in this video. I do talk about some more complicated stuff. So the exercise for this video, although it sounds ridiculous, is to actually watch my other video too, which is way longer than this one. Or doesn't have to be my video, just watch any other tutorials that go over React, like more stuff about React Router DOM, or just read the documentation. But I am linking the tutorial up here at the top, so if you want to check it out, just go ahead and do it. And that's the exercise for this video. So thank you for watching. I'm excited to bring more episodes to this course. If you enjoyed it, leave a like down below and comment what you want to see next. Subscribe, because I'm posting 2 to 3 times a week, and I'll massively appreciate it.
Alright, okay, we finished this one. Let's see the next tutorial video. We just have 4 more, boys, and then we're done. Use context hook. Is this important? Is this an important one? 21 minutes. Well, bro, you said in my previous question that actually market is bad and everything would be fine if market recovers. What is happening in market right now? What are the causes? I don't know much about the market. Okay, this is gonna take me a bit, but I'll explain to you. The market is bad because the economy is bad, because people aren't making money right now. Everyone is doing terrible. Oh, Lucas is saying, yo, bro, I gotta go to bed. No worries, Lucas. Thank you for tuning in once again and helping out, bro. Really appreciate that on your end, and I hope you have a wonderful night, bro. Take care. But yeah, back to your question about the market. I'll try to reach out tomorrow if you stream. Peace, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Take care, man. I'll see you tomorrow then. So Mohammed, about the market, the economy is just bad. So since the economy is bad, everyone is doing bad. Like every business is doing badly. No one can hire. No one has space to hire. They're gonna take as few labor as they can. So they're gonna hire less software engineers to do more work because they can't afford more, right? In 2020, when people were overhiring, there was a lot of money at the time, and so they had the option to overhire. Now they don't. So that's why they're cutting costs, and that's why they're hiring less. And that's not just with software engineering, that's everyone right now. Every single job you will see, they're cutting corners with everyone. So when people say it's about the CS thing, the only reason you see more about CS is because so many people are deciding to go into CS now that like everyone is like, oh yeah, like we're gonna be homeless, bro. No, I know so many engineers who do not have jobs right now after, or like new grad roles, because there are none. Everyone is struggling right now. People are barely hiring. If they're hiring, they aren't hiring new grads, and they're not hiring interns. I'll say if you get into the CS market once, you are bound to success. You just have to get in once. But getting in once is so difficult now that like people are quitting. But that's why I'm doing this journey, to show you guys like, hey, look, there is a way. I'm going to show you guys a way. Even if we're at the worst possible state, we're at the worst possible situation, we still find a way, because all this situation is going to teach us is how to survive later down the road. If you're going to get a job in this market now, you're going to be more successful than in any other market that comes, because it's not going to get worse than this. And if it does, well, then we're basically doomed, but it's not going to get worse than this. And once it slightly recovers and you gain the skills and knowledge to get a job in this market, you will get a job in any market at that point, right? So in my opinion, bro, don't worry about the market too much right now. Stuff happens, bro. Everyone goes through a bad market, but it's just how you come out of it and what you take from this market and the skills you learn and the from attempting to get a job in this market is what's going to be valuable. I wouldn't stress too much. That's just all I can say about this topic. I'm not a god. I can't tell you what's going to happen, but that's just my take on it. If you respect my opinion, or you want to hear about it from my perspective, that's what I would say. But yeah, if anyone else in chat wants to say something, that would be sick. Also, 2 more subscribers, guys. We have to hit the 750 on stream. But yeah, that's my take on that. That is my take. All right, let's continue with this new video of use context hook. We'll try to speed run this video because it's getting late for everyone, so I don't want to take up too much time. But yeah, keep asking questions, guys. I love to engage. And 2 more subscribers, guys. Come on, alt accounts, whatever it is, we have to hit 750 today. Or at least on stream. That would be awesome, guys. So please, 1 more. Literally, yeah, someone subscribed. So we're at 749. We're 1 away, boys. We're 1 more away. We're literally just 1 away from 750. 75% of our goal. But yeah, let's keep watching.
Before we start writing any code, I came up with this little example over here where I will explain to you guys what state management is by introducing the main issue that state management solves, which is the idea of prop drilling. There are other reasons to manage your states better other than avoiding prop drilling, which is what I'm going to explain, but this is what really, I believe, gets you to understanding why managing your states correctly is important. So that's why I wanted to present you guys this first. So prop drilling is a concept, which is basically the idea of you passing.
Bro, tell me some tutorial to learn DSA. Bro, just go on YouTube, search Leet Code. Leet Code YouTube. Just search this, watch all his playlists. He has so many sick videos. All of them. Leet Code 150 review, system design, interview prep, hard problems, sliding windows, medium, easy stack problems, graph problems, backtracking trees, binary search. Everything is here, bro. Watch him. 100% recommend him, bro. One of the best people that ever happened to CS. I'm not even kidding. I aspired to do what he did, bro, for the community. Oh, we hit the 750 subscribers. Let's go, bro. We gotta take a photo of this real quick. That's awesome, guys. Thank you guys so much, man. Y'all are sick, bro. Y'all are sick. That is awesome, bro. 75% of that goal has been hit, bro. Let me take a photo for memories, bro. Thank you guys so much. At day 20, we hit 750 subscribers. What an awesome feeling, man. What an awesome feeling. Thank you guys so much.
A prop to a component, and that prop won't be used in that component. Its main purpose will be just to be passed down to another component. So this example over here is good in my opinion, because think about it this way: we have what is known as the top component. We have a component that is above all the other 2 components, and inside of this component we have a state. When I say it's the top component or above the other components, I just mean that this component doesn't, like, it has all of the other 2 components inside of it, because it calls inside of it the middle component, and the middle component calls the bottom component. So there's other terminologies you can use for this one. For example, you can call this the parent, this the child, and this the grandchild, but I chose top, middle, and bottom because it's more intuitive for some of you. I hope so. I usually call it parent, child, and grandchild, which is more commonly known, but this is just to emphasize the idea that this is calling this, and this is calling the bottom one. So as you can see, we are prop drilling over here. Because imagine in a scenario where you have a state that is created in the top component, and it doesn't even have to be a state. It can be a function. It can be anything, any variable that you want to pass down as props. And I'm having to pass it as props to the middle component, although the middle component won't do anything with it other than just pass it down so I can access it in the bottom one. And you can see the bottom one is doing something with the state. Obviously, this is a fake example, but it's doing something with the state. So this is the whole problem with it. Because although we haven't seen any clear situations where this can be an issue yet, so it is important for us to know how to avoid this. And there is a
Thank you guys so much. 750 subs. Congrats, bro. Appreciate you all, man. Appreciate you all. This is 25% of our goal is left. We only need 250 subscribers. I want to hit it before day we're at 751 now. Bro, this is so amazing, man. I want to hit it before day 30. If we can hit 1,000 subscribers before day 30, that will be amazing. That will be one of the best things that's ever happened to me personally, and it will be an awesome achievement. And we can finally make that Discord so that all of us can get in contact whenever, rather than just on stream. It'll be sick, man. We're so close. We're so close. This got me in my feelings, man. Like, I'm really happy.
clear way to avoid this, which is by using some sort of state management solution. Now, like the name says, state management is you're just managing your states, preventing it from getting messy, and just having them compactly organized in your project. And I came up with this example over here, which is going to show you guys how to use the context API, which is an API that is a state management solution in React, to actually prevent prop drilling from happening. So I'm going to use the example. I'm going to start out with the project with the same code as before. You can see in the previous episode, I taught you guys the React Router DOM library. So we're going to use it just as an example. This is how the code currently looks like. It's just a
Raghav Upadhyay says good morning, bro. It's nighttime for me, but good morning to you, brother. Muhammad Hassan says, bro, thank you for clearing my doubts. I actually wanted some guy like you for giving me the market situation, not someone who is making money on hot topics like CS jobs or are going to vanished AI would take over, etc. And congratulations for 750 sub. Thank you so much, Muhammad, and I appreciate your comment as well about me helping you out. I want to do that for everyone. That's what this platform is for, guys. And any questions you have, ask. I'm open. I'm as open as it gets. I'm not one of those guys who'll get pissed off or anything like that. So ask me whatever you need, and I'm there for you guys. Especially now, bro. Especially right now.
Like simple project that has 3 different pages, right? So in order to explain the context API for you guys, I came up with this example using the code from the previous episode. So we're going to be continuing the code that I left off when I taught you guys React Router DOM in the previous episode. So we're just going to use this to create another example. If you didn't see the previous episode, this is basically what we built. Just a simple website. It has 3 different pages. There's the home page, the profile page, which is different from the previous episode, but will be important for this one. And there's the contact page. Now, what I want to do in this episode is add a functionality to go to this profile page component, and it will display your username. But
Alright, real quick, we're gonna change the menu page to profile page now because this guy changed it, so I'm just gonna change it. Profile. Change this name to profile. Rename profile. Yes, sir. And then just change this to profile. Yuvan says, bro, where can I start the video in Leet Code? Just start with arrays. I recommend arrays, always starting with arrays. Are you working on your mega project? What do you mean, mega project? Contact home. Change this to home. Just a simple home name. And then we'll change this to just contact for now. They'll probably add something later anyways and during the tutorial, so let's just change it for now. Contact app.tsx. We have to change this to home, sorry, profile, lowercase, and then we'll change this to profile. There we go. Let me just run this real quick. Oh, we're getting a little bit of an error, boys. Did I change everything? Oh no, I didn't change it here. Profile. And then we'll change it here to profile. That should fix everything. Still got errors. Cannot find name profile. Because of this. Profile. Awesome. Fixed. Everything is fixed. Great to see. What are you making right now? I'm just following a tutorial on learning React right now. So once I learn React, I'm gonna continue on with other stuff, like a bigger project. I'll let you guys know updates though. But yeah, let's keep watching. Oh wait, before we keep watching, let me just some app name npm run dev. Let's just see what our web page is currently looking like. Bro, most of the code is in Python, but I know only Java and some JS for React.js. Only, bro, help me for DSA Java. I do only Python Java. I don't do Java for Leet Code, so I don't think I could help you on that end. But if you have anything else that you want help with in terms of other things, I'll let you know if I can do something. So right now everything's working. I want to change the CSS though. We'll change the CSS of this. Oh, I just got accepted to Headstarter W. So yeah, I guess I'm working on those projects. It's making me fill out a form. Okay, I got accepted into that program. W. Alright, I will fill the acceptance form in a bit. So yeah, now we're gonna work on a Head Starter, which is a basically 5 different AI ML projects in 2 weeks. I'll show you guys at the end of stream. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Just search up Head Starter on Google. You just search Head Starter on Google and look into it. I'll explain what I'm doing at the end of stream. I'll explain everything. I cannot forget to... How can I apply to this? Just search up their website and apply to Head Starter. You should be able to apply. It's open to everyone, all countries. So, yeah. I would recommend to do it. It's a very good opportunity. There we go. Everything is centered. Awesome. Awesome, boys. Let's keep going. How can I... Yeah, just... I'll show you guys, actually. I'll just Google it right now for you. Head Starter. So it's just a 7-week software engineering fellowship program. You can just apply here. Anyone can. They just have to accept you. But I don't know if you can get in anymore, because they had like a deadline. But they have all these like experienced people. It's a whole community working at like Capital One, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, everything, bro. These guys are like very experienced, smart people, bro. So yeah, they have like events, networking events, everything. What should I be aware of to work at Head Start? You're not working there. It's not an internship. It's just like they help you build projects and all that. Yeah, they're actually it's a very good program, especially if you want a job in this market, to network with people all over the world. I recommend it a lot. But yeah. Also, guys, if you're new here, come on, keep subscribing, boys. We can't stop. Just woke up mid-sleep. Wanted to share with you that I got in. Yeah, I just got in as well, Thopu. That's what I was just showing everyone. I just got in as well. Also, Thopu, we hit 750 subs, bro. We're trying to tell everyone to subscribe even more now, bro. We only gonna keep growing. But congratulations, Thopu. I'll see you at Head Starter. Just received a mail saying I have to fill a form by Saturday midnight. Yeah, I got the same one. I'll just fill that in probably soon. But yeah, bro, that starts on the 22nd. I'm gonna stream my whole journey with my group as well. So I'll see you there. I will see you there.
I also want to display the username, like some sort of state called username, inside of the home component as well. And on top of that, I want to have a component inside of the profile component, which is going to be used to change that username. Now, that might sound a little bit confusing, but if you understood the whole logic here, we're going to have 3 different components: the home, the profile, and the component inside of the profile that changes the profile, the username, where all those 3 components will need to have access to a single state and also be able to change that state. So that's when the context API will be important, and how this is where prop drilling will come into place. So let's start writing that example, right? We have the profile component over here, which right now all it does is it has an h1 tag saying profile. And I also created another component called the change profile component. Imagine in a social media website, you can have something like this, right? Where you have a profile page and you have a section where you can change that like information about the profile page. Now, what I want is to display a username, right? So where would I create that username? Well, it's going to be a state, but if I were to create in the profile component, which is the profile page over here, then I wouldn't be able to access it, but if I to display a username, right? So where would I create that username? Well, it's going to be a state, but if I were to create in the profile component, which...
See you, Thopu. See you, Thopu. Yeah, let's make a components folder. Components. And then there we're gonna make change profile.tsx. Change profile.tsx. There we go. and then we'll have to make the const change profile equals, and then there we go, and then export default at the bottom, export default change profile. So how are you guys, is this the best setup I've had of all time on stream, or what do you guys think? And keep subscribing, boys, keep subscribing, come on, we gotta keep going, we're not stopping, we ain't stopping. Is it necessary to build only AI projects? I barely know AI. I'm not sure. My friend just made me sign up. AI is not too bad though, especially if you have GPT and all that.
Which is the profile page over here, then I wouldn't be able to access it in the home component because it's out of reach, right? The home component and the profile component are siblings of each other. If you see over here, they're next to each other. So I can't pass it through props so that one or the other can get it if I create it inside of the profile. So that means that I need to create that state above the home and the profile components. So where am I going to create it? I'm going to create it right over here in the app component, which is the one level above both of them. So I'm going to create over here right at the top const username. It's just a username for a user, and this is just an example. And then I'm going to say set username, and I'm going to set this equal to use state. Then over here, this is going to be a string. And now that I have this state, we can pass username to the home component as a prop, something like this. And we can also pass it to the profile component, just like this. So now both of them are going to have access to it, right? So we're passing it to the home and we're passing it to the profile. So let's just set it as Pedro tag by default so we can see it. I'm going to go to the home component and I'm going to display the username right over here. Tag by default.
Bro, I'm putting your name in referral. Sure, bro, go for it. You can do that if you'd like.
So we can see it. I'm going to go to the home component and I'm going to display the username right over here. And I'm going to say this is homepage. This is the homepage. And user is, and I'm going to put the username that we grabbed from the props. So I'm just going to grab props and I'm going to say props.username.
But if you put my name, don't say you're in my group though, because I'm pretty sure my group is full. Page, and the username is props.username. In here, like that. Username. Let's make it look better. Let's make it look better. Navbar, profile, home. I'm getting an error. Okay, we'll do any, like that. Any type, navbar. We want to go back on our app.tsx. Okay, let's keep watching.
Now, you see, we can display the username in the homepage, right? Go to the homepage, it'll say, this is the homepage and user is Pedro Tech. Now, for the example, we also want to do the exact same thing, but on the profile page. So I'm going to come to the profile page. I'm also going to add over here the props. And I'm going to say profile, whatever, user is, and I'm going to describe the username. So props.username. So now we have the state that is being used pretty well in both the profile username. So props.username. So now we
okay, let's do that. Profile. Let's put props in here, though. We have to put props. Props is like kind of just an argument or like an object in a way for whatever we're putting inside. So he put it as all caps profile. Username is, and then we'll do props dot username. There we go. Should be good. So guys, come on. We gotta subscribe, boys. We gotta subscribe. We're hitting that, we have to hit that 1K very soon, man. Come on, we gotta keep going. We're not stopping at 750.
We have the state that is being used pretty well in both the profile and the home components. But like I mentioned, I want to be able to change this, right? I want to be able to write a new username and change it. But I want to do that inside of the profile component, and I don't want to write all of that logic inside of the single profile component. By the way, I'm going to change this to a div instead of an h1.
First of all, let's see if this is even working. This is the home page and the username is. Bro, it's not even showing my name, bro. What's going on? Did he do something I'm not aware of? Oh, okay. He went in the element and then put home. Set username equal to username. And then I'll just do that for the rest of them as well. Oh wait, no, I don't need to do it for this one because I don't even have it, like, I don't have any arguments that I'm putting in this. Yep, everything shows now. Profile username is Talhauer H. Okay, let's keep watching.
By default, so we can see it. I'm gonna go to the home component and use page, right? But I'm gonna say use home components, and I don't want to write all of that logic inside of the single profile component. By the way, I'm gonna change this to a div instead of the profile, and that's gonna abstract all of the logic related to changing the profile. You change this to a div instead of an h1 because this is gonna be a big page. So I want to put a component called change profile inside of the profile, and that's gonna abstract all of the logic related to changing the profile username or just the username itself. So we're gonna put it right over here, right below where it's displaying the username. And over here is where
everyone keeps asking, bro. I tell them, man, Leet Code. That's where I learned most of my stuff from. Now I just focus on doing it myself, but where I originally learned it from was Leet Code. We just wanted to make this a div, I think. We don't want to make it an h1 tag. Command S to format. We also wanted to import. We wanted to import a change profile. Import change profile from, yep. And then I think we were.
I want itself. So we're gonna put it right over here, right?
That's how he did it. I guess, yeah, we'll do it like that as well. So change profile. I have to do shift. Damn, bruh. Gotta do shift. Change profile. Okay, we're getting an error. Change profile cannot be used. It's type void. Okay. What is the issue, lads? It's of type void. So we want to return something? Is that what we want to do? We want to return something? I guess return nothing for now. Return. Nice English, bruh. Return.
Right below. where it's displaying the username. And over here is where I want to have a button and an input. So I'm going to put a div, and it's going to have an input where we can write the new username. And there's going to be a button which, when you click on it, is going to update the username. So change username, and right over here, we're going to have this input where if you write on it, it's going to trigger, right? It's going to get the information of what the new username you want to create is. So we need to create a state that is going to hold what we're writing on this input, right? We've done this a couple times. The state will be called new username, and we're going to create a set new username, right? So I'm going to set this equal to use state, and this is going to be a string. So like we've done a bunch of times, we're just going to give this an onChange inside of the input, grab the event, then just say that we want to set new username to be equal to event.target.value.
Let's do that. Does this video have an exercise? Okay, I don't think it has an exercise. Alright, let's return that. So we have to obviously make first a const. So and then yeah, we have to import useState as well, as I'm forgetting to do. Import useState. Nathan, didn't you say you have an interview today, or is it later this? I already had the interview. It was yesterday. I did the interview yesterday. It went pretty well. I was saying on stream that I already had the interview. Like, I got the call on the day, and then I just did it. React, import useState, and then we make const, and then we'll do username, set username, or no, we want to call a new username, sorry about that. New username, set new username. Yep. The interview was yesterday. useState. And then we want to return, we'll make a div. What was the interview about? What job role? Software developer student. That's what it was for, boys. I might just turn my ring light off because my eyes are getting cooked. I just turned my ring light off because my eyes started hurting. But yeah, it was for a software developer student. I can't take that much light for 2 hours. The username, sorry, what was I doing? Div, let's do that, and then let's go input, and then on input we'll do an onChange equals. How did you get the interview call? I applied. As a person, I applied, and that's how I got it. Also, guys, come on, gotta get more subs, bro. We gotta keep going. onChange equals, and then also I'm gonna start doing shorts pretty soon. I heard that's a good way of increasing channel potential. And then we'll set new username to event.target.value. As we've learned, yeah, I think that's, or is it event.target that he's changed it?
This is a bunch of times, so I really don't need to.
Okay, yeah, he did event.target.value, and we wanted a button change username. Sorry guys if the lighting got worse, my eyes just really got cooked. Button change username. There we go. Change username. Holy bro, my eyes got cooked, bro. I can barely see right now. I'm trying to adjust. Come on, guys. If you're new, smash the subscribe button, boys. We have our little like input and then change username button. Okay, sick.
Get really into it. So now we're keeping track of the new username, and we want to be able to, whenever we click on this button, change this username state to be equal to the new username, right? But how would we do that? How would we have access to the set username function? Well, let's think about it this way. We are inside of the change profile. Change profile is inside of the profile. A profile is inside of the app. So we probably need to pass the set username function as props to the profile component, just like this. So now the profile component will have access to it, and it can pass it as props to the change profile component. So I can say props.setUsername. And now in this component, we can just grab props again and use it on the on click of this button. And just say that whenever you click on this button, you want to props.setUsername, just set username like this, to be equal to the new username that we typed inside the state. So think about it this way. We just passed in the set username function as props to the profile.
Alright, let's do what he said. How, if you want to know how I got the interview call though, like specific details, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll share it on my Discord, how to do it. Anyways, let's get back to this. So we want to go on our app.tsx, and then when we want to set it as props, so we'll do set username, and then that will be like this. Is that how I did it? Yeah. Set username to username. Set username equals to set username. So whatever we set it to. Set username. Wait, why is this bugging? Do I not have a set username? I do. It's right here, bro. I'm just gonna give this straight to GPT. I am getting an error on set username. Where is everyone right now, bro? You're here, dude. You're loyal then, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Let's just fix this line real quick. I don't know what the full issue with it was, but okay, let's keep going. So we call it there, and then we have to look at profile, and then in change profile we do set new username as props username. Is that, how do you put a comma? I think maybe you put a comma or something. Or I'm just dumb. I don't know what's going on. Why I'm getting this weird error. What did he do? Props.username?
Click of this button and just pass to the new username that we typed inside. just like this. So now the profile component will have access to it, and you can pass it as props to the change profile component. So I can say props.setUsername. And now in this component, component. So I can say props.setUsername. And now in this
I don't know why my thing keeps bugging, bro. Where did it go? It just disappeared. I think it's supposed to be set new username, but it's just looking at it the wrong way. Dude, is 1 year enough for Leet Code going into third from next month? Yeah, it is. Don't sweat it, bro.
to pass the set username function as props to the profile component, just like this. So now the profile component will have access to it, and you can pass it as props to the change profile component. So I can say props.setUsername. And now in this component, we can just grab props again and use it on the on click of this button, and just say that whenever you click on this button, you want to props.setUsername, just set username like this, to be equal to the new username that we typed inside of the state. So think about it this way: we just passed in the set username.
Bro, there's so many bugs I always have to fix, man. There's another bug. Where is this bug? Profile, set username. What's the new one we made? Change profile. And then on click on this button. On click equals, and then what were we doing again?
Function to the change as so.
Just the void function. And then we're doing props dot set username to new username. And then we have to put in the argument props any. Okay, I'm not getting the error here, but for some reason when I go on Ashish Monty, yo, good morning, bro. What's up, man? Good morning to you as well, bro. Good morning to you as well. Set username equals props. Let's set username maybe. I think he did it wrong, but we'll see.
Username like this. We just passed in the set username function of the state. So think about it this way: we just passed in the set username function as props to the profile, and then directly, without using it in the profile component, all we did is we just passed it down to the change profile component, so that over here we can actually update the username. And you can see that like the whole logic works. I can change it to become Pedro Technologies instead, or something like this, right? It changes to Pedro Technologies. If I go to the home, it will also be there, Pedro Technologies, and I can change it back to like Ninja or whatever, and you can see like it works. I'm updating the username, but we are prop drilling, which is the whole point of this. we're passing this state down, keep passing it down without actually using it. And you can see it's becoming a mess. It's kind of like we're seeing all this problem.
Also, it's nighttime for me. It's literally 11 p.m. which is why after this video I'm probably gonna have to cut stream. But okay, let's see if this works. So we'll change the name to Ashish. Let's change it to your name, bro. Okay, so it works. It changed your name. It changed it to your name. I'll do my last name. Yeah, it works.
Props is kind of messy, right? We really don't know the purpose of each of these props because some of them can just be not have a purpose, right? The set username on this one over here doesn't have a purpose. The only purpose is passing it down. So how would we fix this? So to start that off, let's go to.
So how much did I learn about React? I've learned a good amount now. I've learned a decent amount, but I don't know if it's enough to build a project, but we'll see. I'll just learn while building the project because I'm obviously implementing the language. Bro, do you live alone? No, I live with my family.
Where we create our states, which is on the app component, this one over here. I'm even going to close the other one so it doesn't confuse you guys. So over here, we're creating our states. And this is where we're going to create our store, or where we're going to store all of the states that we want to pass down, right? So the context API allows us to put all of our states, functions, and variables in one place, and then let all the components inside of that place have access to it directly without having to use props. So
how can we connect? I have LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is linked in my bio. Have you done any projects to get an internship? Yes, I have. We've done some on stream as well. If you want to check that out, DatchKH. And also, if you could subscribe, that would be awesome, so that we can get to our 1K subscriber goal. Promise you it'll be worth it. Can you share your resume? I have. If you check my day 10 video. So there, Danji. Assalamu alaikum, bro. Love from Pakistan. Wa alaikum assalam, bro. I'm Pakistani as well, so it's great to see my fellow Pakistanis. Also, Danny J, if you could subscribe, that would be awesome, bro. That Pakistan loves subscribing. I love from Pakistan type of subscribe, you know? I don't know if that made sense to anyone. That Pakistani Brotherhood subscription right there.
The way we do this is by, first of all, importing from React the use context hook. So this is the third hook we're learning in this course. And this hook over here is going to be, no, this is wrong. So we do this by importing from React the create context function. And this function over here will allow us to create a context, right?
All right, let's create context. Where did we even import use state in this? Did I? I didn't. Import use state. I've already subscribed, don't worry. Loyalty, I like that. Glad to have you here, man. Glad to have you here. Is it first time on stream then? Use state and then create context. Sorry guys if the lighting's a little bad. It was just hurting my eyes, so I got really like tired or started dizzy from it. Import use. I don't know why I'm getting an error on use state. Oh, I already did it. Up here. Create context. There we go. Yeah, but if any of you are new, bro, make sure to subscribe. If any of you are new. So close to that goal.
Right? And I'll explain to you guys what a context exactly is, but whenever you want to have groups of components that have access to the same data, which would be like a state or a variable or a function, if you want to have a group of components, it doesn't have to be all your components, you would create what is known as a context for that group of components. But you can also create a global context, which is what we're going to do over here. I'll call it app context, like this, and like I said, picture it just like a store or a place where it's going to hold all of the information you want to pass down. So we're going to say create context over here, And now our app context is the context we're going to be using. And to determine which components will have access to that context, we just wrap all of the components that we want to have access to the data as a component, just like this. And we also have to add a dot provider at the end of it, because this means that we're going to be providing data to the components inside of it. So we're going to say dot provider at the end as well. Oh, I accidentally put to that context. We just wrap all of the components that we want to have access to the data as a component, just like this. And we also have to add a dot provider at the end of it.
What did everyone say? Brother, how's the conditions of Pakistan? Love economics. Like, okay, deleted the message. Are you a junior? Yes, I'm going into my junior year. Just joined again, like in college. Yeah, I'm going into my junior year. Do you live alone? Yes, I live. No, I don't live alone. I live with my family. Yeah. Actually, let's see. What can we do here? App context. Dot provider. Let's take this, wrap everything. Why is this getting an error? Is missing type, but required and provided props. Okay. We'll figure out the error later. Do you watch cricket? Yeah, I do. Not right now though. Pakistan's really bad, bro. So I don't like watching it, but my dad's a pretty big fan. IDs. What field in CS are you preparing for? Like data science, cloud, and I'm still figuring out what exactly I really want to do. But if I had to choose right now, I think it's between cloud or AI ML. That's probably the best one. Or if that doesn't work out, then backend and software engineering. So again, guys, if you're new, smash the subscribe button. I'll just say smash the subscribe button. I'm so tired right now. This is like me on my cracked senses right now. When is I gotta check the prayer times. Oh no, okay. I can only stream for like 5 more minutes, then I have to go, guys. So let's try to finish everything in this video before then.
Because this means that we're going to be providing data to the components inside of it. So we're going to say dot provider at the end as well. Oh, I accidentally put too much, but yeah. So now that we determine which components will have access to this state, obviously in our example, only the user, the home and the profile ones needed, but since we're doing it globally over here, I'll just put it so that every other component also have access to it. And when you create a provider, you have to specify which variables and data you want to pass down. In our case, we only have one piece of data, which is the information related to to the username. So we're going to pass over here what is known as the value of this provider, and we'll put the variables and functions and whatever that we want to pass down. So we want to have access to the username and the set username function. So now that we did this, we can actually delete all of the props that we've been passing down. We can delete it because we don't need it anymore. So in order to access the same information as before, we go to the component. For example, the home it had a username prop, right? So if I want to still have the username over here, I can just come to the home. I'll import the use context hook, which comes from React as well. And it's the third hook we've learned this course. And with the use context hook, I can actually, which comes from, if I want to still have the username over here, I can just come to the home. Home it had a username prop, right? So if I want to still have the username over here,
What's chat saying? Pakistan crashed out of the world, bro. Yeah, they lost to the USA, man. What kind of stupid team is this? What framework would you say you are best at? Java. Yeah, Java. I guess React now. I want to say React now. Did you get paid on your first internship? Yes, I did. Bro, there's internal conflicts in the team. How can they perform? That's true. Yeah, he said true as well. Guys, again, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Come on, guys. We're so close to our 1K subscriber goal. So yeah.
Before we go to the component, for example, the home needed, it had a username prop, right? So if I want to still have the username over here, I can just come to the home. I'll import the use context hook, which comes from React as well, and it's the third hook we've learned this course. And with the use context hook, I can actually use the app context that I created over here, and I'm exporting it so that we can have access to it in other files as well. I could just import it like by saying from ./app. We'll go to the app file and grab the app context just like this. And if I use both of this, we can grab the values that are over here directly. So I'm gonna grab over here by saying ./app. We'll go to the app file and grab, and it's the third hook we've learned this course. And with the use context hook, I can actually use the app context that I created over here, and I'm exporting it so that we can have access to it in other files as well. I could just import it like by saying from ./app. We'll go to the app file.
Nuance says hi bro. Hey, what's up man? Nice to have you back on stream once again. Let's import. So we're importing what again?
And I can just import it like
so first we import use context. Oh, he's still going, bro. Import use context. Import use context, and then from React. Spelled from wrong, from. And then import, I think we want to do app context from dot slash app. There we go. No, not yet. Not yet. Sick, okay. Yeah, where's chat, boys? Where is chat? Again, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. We've been stuck on 751 for like a bit now.
It's like this. And if I use both of this, we can grab the values that are over here directly. So I'm going to grab over here by saying const, set it equal to use context, and I'll just pass which context I want to grab variables from. In our case, it is the app context. And I can just specify.
Okay, let's do that then. Const, it can be empty, use context, and then we said that we wanted to do app context. There we go, we're done there. Command S. Oh, sorry, curly braces. Bro, how's it going? It's going well, man. What about you? Thank you for asking.
Inside of this curly braces, what information I want to grab back. I can currently just get two things, either the username or the set username. I'll grab the username in this case. So we don't even have to have props in this component, because we can just grab that information just like this, and it will still work. I'll do the exact same thing with the profile one, because we also need to have access to this information. But you can see we're not using props, but we are getting the information. So I'll say username, and I'll just display the username. For now, I'll just show you guys that this is working, and I'll comment the change profile. But you'll see that it is still working, right? It still says page attack on the home one, and it still says page attack on the profile one, despite us not using any props. All we're doing is we created a provider that will provide that data to those components inside of it, and we pass in what kind of data we want.
Alright guys, look, I gotta pray, and the prayer is gonna end in a bit. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'll finish this video on my own right after I end stream. I'm gonna call stream off for today because I do have to get going, because I have to pray and God first. But I'm gonna end stream. Let me just turn my lighting back on. Look better. Now I'll look better. But yeah, I'm gonna end stream for today. It was a good stream. We got 210 views. We hit our 750 subscribers. If you guys are new again, it would be awesome if you guys could subscribe. But yeah, other than that, oh, we hit 752. Nice. We gained a subscriber. But yeah, I'm gonna call stream for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This was day 20 of trying to get a software engineering internship. I'll let you guys know how my interview what it led to from yesterday. I don't know anything yet. It might take a week, it might take 2 weeks, it might even take a month. We'll see what goes on. But bye, good luck, bro. May Allah bless you. Appreciate that, man. But yeah, guys, that's my Muslim brother right there. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe not. I'll confirm on the communities chat if I'm gonna stream tomorrow.